Like the girls. Let me get the, ooh.
All I wanna do is zoom, 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 and a boom, boom. All I wanna do is zoom, 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 and a boom.
Listen, Daddy Papa is waiting by the phone. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by Hairvivi. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now before we get into this install, just know this unit is pretty much ready to go out the pack. It came pre-washed, pre-styled. This was a real quick out the box slay. Speaking of slay, it is also SipnSlay, and your girl got her tea because I'm feeling a little a little something right here, and I want to make sure I'm ready for the weekend. Okay, party, party, party. Listen. Ooh, but as always, sip it up for me. Before we get into this install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Hairvivi. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is going to be an easy install, I hope. This wig does come pretty much ready to go out the pack. You pretty much just cut the lace off, refresh your styling, and go. There's nothing much you should have to do with this wig. This one did come with the curtain bangs. I'm a little bummed that it came with this, like, you know, the little how you doing across the front. I wanted it to be in the middle so I can kind of just pop it on and go, because I think that's the style that I'm gonna go for today. But let me go ahead and cut the card off. Only cut this tag off if you are ready to keep and style your wig. They did say mine came with the cappuccino cap. I feel like that's a little dark for cappuccino. This looks more like mocha, but I could be wrong. I'll verify. It does come with the piano keys elastic band. You get 2 slots for that. You don't get combs on the side, but you do get the comb in the back. That's pretty much a perfect cap construction for me. Let's stretch this over my head. Ooh, is she gonna be glueless? Ooh, I gotta get that together. I'm trying to do this install real quick. That's giving pretty woman. They didn't send me the bag this time with all the goodies in it. It's okay, I got a lot of extra stuff. This is how that hairline is looking. Let me cut off the lace that I don't need. Pretty sure they sent me the medium cap. They do have small, medium, and large though, so get the cap that works for you. Hold up, let me just make sure my sides are cut where I want them. I cut right into that hair. I can't see. That side was better. I'm not gonna tint the lace because I feel like it's melting in pretty nicely. Actually, before I cut this lace off, I got my TYMO Hot Comb right here. I have it on the 4th setting. That's kind of hot. I'm just gonna straighten out, straighten out these bangs a little bit. I want them to sit in front of my face. It's giving me a bang. I don't want the bang, I want a middle part. Ooh, come on over, come on over. Let me clip that over there. Because they styled it over like the little trunk bang across the front, it wants to go back over there. I don't want it over there. Let me use my blow dryer to hold it. Put it on hot and high. There we go. Why is that light messing up like that? Yeah, I'm over here fixing the light. All right, now let's clip this back. Hey, this is a Hairvivi clip. Told you I got a lot. Where my wax stick? Just push these flyaways back a little bit. I'm just gonna follow the hairline they already have because my hair will be down. I am gonna use some of my Nairobi mousse around the hairline. No swishies, I'm just kind of molding it down. Let me just brush back these hairs because I don't want them down in my face. Tie it down with the band that I already have. Now I'm just gonna freshen up my curls. This is only 160% density, so I know, you know, some people like that density for their, you know, silkier units, just to give a more natural look. No complaints, just not my preference. I'm just gonna freshen up my curls. I didn't even turn it on, sheesh. Went on and did my makeup, using my cheap joint. What do I have this on? 2 curls on the side. I'm only about 10 minutes into the styling, so that's always good. I remember it used to take me a while to style like body wave wigs or like silky wigs just because I didn't know what I was doing. But now that I do, keep it simple. Now for the front, I want the curls to kind of follow here, right? To the front, no, to the back. Let me see, can I do this side like this? I think I did it like this. Just run it through like that. Here we go, bump it up in the front like so. I could definitely cut some layers into this wig if I wanted to look a lot fuller for my face. Depending on your face shape, neck length, the hair may look a little different for you. Just put some curls where I need layers to be because I don't want to cut it. Definitely giving old school. This one doesn't want to sit back. Let me take off the band so we can see how the hairline is sitting. Not too shabby. Bring her down. Use a little bit of my excess contour. I need a little extra right here. Just brush some of these back so they're not so perfect looking. I feel like this side looks better than this one. I don't know what's going on with this. Are my layers longer? Flatten that out. Use some of my Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray right on the top. Lay down those flyaways. Let me brush that out so it's not super shiny. Use my brush just to kind of brush the hair into place. Like so. So the hair doesn't look so stringy. I think I put too much curl in here. Let me straighten that part out. Let me leave it alone. Y'all, so here is the final look, what we think. I feel like I got this one together for the look that I think I wanted. I didn't have to do too much with this wig. Y'all saw what I did. Okay, barely anything. Get your hairline together, fix your curls up, and that's it. I do feel like Hairvivi can be beginner friendly. You're gonna pay them coins for it, but their price point matches what they offer. And if you like a more silkier, natural density type of unit that comes with everything, Hairvivi just may be your girl. Okay, hold up, I had to come back really quick. Am I really about to wear this for date night? I am. So let me, hold on. I'm gonna show y'all how easy it is to put this wig back on for day 2. Wait a minute. What I want to do? Band on, put down, put down. Ooh, she a little humpy. That's all right. Let me get her together. Let me put my glasses over top the lace. Are we looking better on day 2? I think we is, child. Wait a minute. Hold on. Make sure my hairline is good. Okay. Let me just, like the girls. Let me get the, ooh. Got some flyaways up there, but it's all right. Look, call Daddy Papa now. Call him up. But don't worry, if you don't want to, you can definitely go ahead and hit up that paying for. Look at the hairline. Okay, I didn't do nothing extra. Day 2. If I feel like the hair is in my face, I can definitely just pin it back. I'm not upset at the unit. I'm really not. It's definitely giving social media hair influencer when they be doing all this to the hair. Like, girl, you keep playing, my curl's gonna be gone. Do I like this? I am confusion. The hairline is looking amazing. All right, and it's still glueless. Hold on, let me show you with my comb. All the way around. Do you see the fit? Check me out. Am I a silky girl? I can even do like a little claw clip. Let me see. I wish I had like a mini claw clip, but I don't. So let's just use what we have. Like, I don't know if my part is just uneven or if it just wasn't cut the same on both sides. Or maybe I need to bump it a little bit more. Here I am fussing at the brand and it's me. All right, so let me just go back like this. I do have a little bit more hair forward in this side, but y'all see what I'm trying to do. Okay, but that's cute too. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Hairvivi for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.